pillar, nigga. Bitches all over me and X like Twitter, nigga. Heavy hitter, nigga. Sinner, nigga. Devil in a nigga. Weed smoke got me choking like Reggie Miller, nigga. She gon' ride a nigga like a 18-wheeler, nigga. She vanilla, nigga. On tequila, she Brazilian, nigga. I ain't never scared. Keep a chopper on me like a helipad. These niggas teddy grams, niggas teddy bears. Kill 'em with my bare hands like Freddie, man. Tell 'em, man.
Shit, fuck the Drake and bout the G-Lock. He run up and he get pop. Yeah, I rap, but fuck this hip-hop. I'm active, boy, don't get dropped. Niggas hoes, they walk with flip-flops. Hey, rats and cheese, they get chopped. From the slum straight to the tip-top. It's on me, bitch, don't get popped. Sit like 50 all in one swap. Ran off the plug, got too hot. We had hoes and bows in 2 spots. Pulled off Corvette, the roof drop. Diamond shining, smoking moon rock. Thug life, I feel like Tupac. In LA, we ride with 2 blocks. Start rapping, heads got too hot.
Hallelujah. Clip so long like Chapatula. Bad little bitch give amazing brain. Mama that raised her honor student. Tell a bitch step like Major Payne. Low down nigga like Keenan Wayne. Slam on nigga like Shaq and Paint. I'ma shoot this bitch, I ain't had to think. I'm like Nino in the Carter nigga. How many pounds was the other nigga? Grew my wicks out like a Florida nigga. When the Drake call, hope God with you on the state call with my dog nigga. Got a life sentence, not a life sentence. Bro just came home, picked the pen up, then he taught me how to make a knife with it. Only seeing green with this night vision. Got a black truck full of white bitches and they like bitches that excite niggas. If they act up, we good night niggas on sight niggas while I write get it. Got some young boys that don't do shit.
What's up, dude? What's up, Tom?
You fuck around with the right nigga.
You ever read it? I don't think so.
I'm active, boy, don't get dropped. Niggas hoes, they walk with flip-flops. Hey, rats and cheese, they get chopped. From the slum straight to the
Alright, I'm just trying to pass the eval today. That's gonna be my That's gonna be my goal today. I'm just gonna try and pass an eval. I'm not even gonna try to trade on my live. I don't like this at all. If a problem come up, you know I'm not gonna run. Bro, my contact. I might have taken my. I don't think it's on right. I don't think it's on right. This morning, bearish on gold, bullish on NAS and ES. You get like this, you risk little bitch. How do I fix my stream name? Just finished up for the day. 15-second goated, bro. I might jump on it today. NQ's due for a dump. It does look like it's about to drop a little bit. All right, we're doing an eval stream today, so just trying to pass our eval. Hey. I don't want to say it, but I got a new prop firm sponsorship. So we're going to be ripping that going forward. That's why I'm doing my little eval phase right now. I'm looking for shorts underneath this low on gold. Super, super bearish PA on gold right now. I can't, I guess I can. Maybe I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to do the. I'm gonna wait just a second to do it all, just because it's not 100. Well, it is 100% set in stone, but like I have to. It should be set by tomorrow. Apex? No. But fuck that firm. I'm not sponsored by Apex, bro. Some people know, but I haven't finished up for a couple hours. Finished up a couple hours ago. What the fuck? Market just opened, bro. 14 points today. Good for you, bro. Good shit. First time in the chat, too. What's up? Follow me. Follow me. I'm really liking shorts on gold. I mean, nothing really needs to be said here. I mean, super bearish PA. If we catch the bottom of this, we just suck ass. But you guys see this pretty much. I shouldn't have to explain this stuff to you anymore. This is just super textbook. CNC is break underneath this low, and then we're gonna look for shorts. But wow, we are so due for a little pullback. It's not a take profit trader, no. It's a good firm though, but it's better. You got some new faces in here, bro. I like it. With the new firm for those accounts, is the trailing forever? With the new firm for those accounts, is the trailing forever? I don't think there's any firm that has trailing forever. Usually when you get past their, I mean, basically what it is just the buffer. Once you get over the buffer, it doesn't trail you anymore. Hey, Steph, joining news so joining news to the live happens here. Yes, what's up? First time in the chat too was good. Yo, so what I do is I stream live every morning on here, on Twitch or YouTube. What I'm going to be doing going forward is the firm that I'm with, I'm going to be doing some streams with them too. I think like 4 maybe a month. We're going to be doing that on top of the fact of I do post streams in my Discord, by the way. So if you're not in the Discord, jump in there. I do post streams in there. So after this stream, I'm going to go in there. I'm going to do a little trade recap, just kind of chill in there for a minute. And then I do night streams in there. So I stream at night in the Discord, and I do a post stream in the Discord as well every morning. Discord's on sale right now till Friday. Code new gets us like 25, bro. It's literally like $50 to get in the Discord right now. It's never, it's not going to be like that probably ever again. So if you are interested in getting the Discord, all my alerts, live classes, code new gets you in. But I'm looking for shorts here. Step one is to actually rip a trade, which is why we're all here. Super solid low that we created right here. You guys see how strong we held this. This is the 5 minute. So I don't think I've ever seen that tight of consolidation in one area for that long in a minute. So it's good. We're underneath it, so we need to see just a slight retracement, and we're going to be there. I want to see this EMA catch up. So let me be as precise as possible. Once this EMA comes back up, I'll show you guys what I mean. We haven't closed below it just yet, but in 25 seconds we will have the close. I need to see this EMA catch up to the zone before we see the retracement. I don't know why my EMA is not working, but morning boys, what's up, hey kid? First time in the chat too. What's good, bro? In a trade now? No, not yet. But I'm sponsored by Monster. Just got all over me. You said zone off the 5 minute low? Yes. This is this low right here. Okay, now that the EMA is back up, I want to see this EMA catch up to this zone. So I want this EMA to be here before we see the retracement. The perfect scenario right here would be the rejection off the EMA on top of the rejection off the zone. Trying to mark out and just copy. Yeah, if you go on the 5 minute on gold, you should be able to see it. I mean, it's a super clear low. Just right here. I think it's between 6, 7, and 7, 1. Okay. We're gonna be looking to jump in here any second now. Again, I'm on eval. This is eval. This is a whole eval day. If you're in the Discord, you're gonna see these alerts too. But I'm just saying, they're like, I'm gonna be prefaced that they are an eval. I'm being a little bit more aggressive this morning. 2 cons, more than likely, yeah, 2 cons. Depending on, I actually don't know. Probably gonna be 2. A lot of volume on gold right now, so it's definitely gonna slow things up. Position size wise, like I don't need to size heavy, but I think 2 minis is gonna be our spot right now. Let me check the stream on YouTube. I never checked the YouTube stream. I'm so sorry. What's up, Alex? What's up, King Kale? What's up, Toya? What's up, Jared? What's up, Funny? What's up, Dominic? What's good, boys? Do you only trade 1-to-1 RR? Very rarely do I not trade 1-to-1 RR. Super, super rare. For example, when I won't be something like this, let's say I get in right here. This isn't an entry for me, but let's say we got in shorts here. Stop loss for me is going to be at this high right here. TP for me is going to be at this low. So sometimes it's like a 0.8 RR, sometimes it's 1.3, sometimes it's 1-to-1. If I can find the most recent high and the most recent low, I'm just going to play off that. But if not, I'll just run a 1-to-1. Okay, so we're back in this area. I need to see this EMA catch up a little bit before we jump in here. Well, I want to see a rejection, and then I want to see TP at this low. Dollar looking pretty solid. We are seeing a slight pullback. That's why gold is pushing back up. But dollar is looking really bullish right now, so gold should be seeing a slight drop. I trade before market open. I live in Norway, so I usually finish up before US market open. That's sick, bro. What's the volume like, though? I feel like it might be a little slow, no? I mean, definitely not today with FOMC yesterday, but... Where would you put your stop loss for this trade and why? On this trade, see, that's the thing. There is nowhere to put my stop loss, just because there is no recent high. So that's when I would run. If I was running a 1-to-1, it'd be TP at this low, and I would run a 1-to-1 off of it. But see, that would be an 8-point stop. So I'd probably run 1 mini. Sometimes, but gold is low-key too goated. That's what I've been trying to say, bro. I've been trading gold for so long now at this point. Some people still like aren't trying to make the transition, bro. I don't think I would like. NQ is just not. It's not sustainable, man. It's so hard to be consistently good at NQ from a day trading perspective because of how it moves. It's impossible, bro. Okay, it's not impossible, but I'm exaggerating. It's very hard. Gold is so much more rangy in a good way. I mean, look at the price action on gold. It's not like this every single day, but pretty much if you click the red button, you're like cashing today. NQ, there's just always something up its sleeve, bro. I mean, for the most part, yes, same exact thing, but like, it's just there's way too much volume, and that can really throw you off. And you can just get wicked out of trades. I don't get wicked out of trades on gold. Very rarely. Yo, Meth, thank you for following me on Twitch, bro. Go. Okay, we're seeing a push up off this low. I don't know why my EMA is not popping up, but it like makes me rage when that happens. So hopefully... Dude, I get so mad when my EMA doesn't show up on my chart. It's like instantly loading. You have a Discord? Yes. It's on sale right now. It's sale Friday. Would I be sped for taking longs here on gold, close under London lows and inverse fair value gap? I wouldn't say you'd be sped. To have an EMA right now, just so you know. I'm figuring, but it's just like, bro, why is my shit not popping up? I would assume it's above the EMA right now. I might have to... I can't take it off and put it back on. That'll fuck up all my settings. Well, I'm just going to assume the EMA is kind of right around... oh, there it is. All right. I mean, longs aren't bad here. We are finally seeing some buys, but like, look at any time frame. And I'm not going to change time frames because it's going to change my EMA. And it's going to load again, and I don't want that. But if you look at every single time frame right now, Farb, it's bearish. That's my only problem. But... You know, if you're trading off of London lows and you like, that's how you like to trade. You like to catch, you know, reverses and stuff, then take it. It's not bad, but I will say though, if you were to jump in right now, I would assume you'd have your stop loss at this low. That's a giant stop. 11 points. I might only go one mini today. We'll see, depending on the sizing. If it's over 5 points, I'll go just one, but we are seeing buys now. Definitely not enough for me to switch. There's no scenario where I'm taking longs today. I would rather not trade than take longs. And that's how you guys should kind of set your conviction for the day. And there's times, again, don't do as I say, not as I do. There's times when I flipped and I lose. Like, it's just, you should either have a side going into every single morning or nothing. You know, don't say, oh, fuck. The market opened up bearish, it was dumping, and now we're ripping back up, and I'm gonna flip my bias. No, you just don't trade. Super, especially after this. It's why I'm on an eval right now. I'm not gonna risk my money today. It's way too crazy. If you guys are looking at the PA, I mean, bro, like I just said, I'd have an 11-point stop. That never happens. Just a lot of volume. I'm just trying to have fun, man. Is supply and demand still good for gold? It's really good for gold. How do I find the Discord? It'd be on any of my YouTube videos. I could maybe find a link. How? Let me check my. Let me see. What are we looking for? I'm looking for shorts on gold. Give me 1 sec.
What's going on, boys? Welcome.
Here, I'm about to send in the Twitch chat. I have a little thing next to my name. That's cool. It is on sale till tomorrow. I might move it to Saturday or Sunday, but code new. It gets you like 25% off. Like it's insane. But I'll be live in there after this. Do you live trade gold at night? Yes. So usually in the morning I'll do NQ and gold, but only at night I'll only do gold. And then, like I said, I stream here every morning. So I know a lot of you guys pull up a lot, but I'm trying to grow the community because like a lot of people don't even know that I do this shit. Like I stream for free in the morning now. So code new for the 101. No, bro. I am doing 101s now too. I think there's like 8 spots left. If any of you guys are interested, 101 coaching. I won't say that like being in the Discord will make you profitable. I think there's a lot of resources in there that can help out, but like if I coach you 101, like you will be profitable. Like I don't it's not like bullshit or anything. Literally everybody that's in the Path to Profit shit is making money. And then in the accelerator it's just like nobody. Like not nobody is, but like there's a clear difference. I mean, but it's fine though, man. Like that's out there though if you are interested. But we are looking for a potential entry here. I might actually, if we close back below this low, we could have our stop loss. Oh, bro, 7 points. We'd have our stop loss at this high right here. You missed 3 minute. I already know. I'm about to click this and it's gonna, yeah. Oh my gosh, we did miss the 3 minute entry. Pump, why didn't you say something, bro? Why wasn't anybody saying something? You should have been spamming 3 minute. And the 5 minute. Okay, wait. We actually might just jump in here. I'm about to jump in longs here. All right, a little premature, but we're in right here. 5 point stop. I'm only in 1 mini. I have 5.1 stop on this. I'm in at 6.7. God damn it. I'm in at 670. That's cursed. 1 mini here. We're seeing $500 on this. Again, a little late to the party, but it was an entry, and we got back up. We actually got a better fill, so if we get stopped out of this, is not too bad. But eval. Oh fuck! I'm trying to alert this. Eval trade, GC shorts at 367. 5 point stop, 1 mini. Dollar needs to get going. You in a trade just got out of the chiropractor? Yes. What is this music, bro? Yo, you don't know this song? Wait, an ad about his... No. No ad. I got you guys. Well, maybe there should be a fucking ad because this trade's over. Stop loss for me is at this high. It's actually a tick above that high at 6751. In this scenario, I'd probably just run a 1-to-1. Maybe not. If we do get in profit, maybe I'll run it down to the low, but we might get stopped here. which is fine, but we can just repivot. Said I'm only in 1 mini on this. This is gonna take out $500 in drawdown. Sucks, but like, I'm not done. I'm not done cooking. Just like that. Stopped out. I mean, I wasn't in profit for a single second. It's fine. We just lost $500 there. I've got plenty of drawdown left. We're just gonna have to sit back and watch this collect itself, because now that the dollar, I'm guessing, is coming down, yes, we're gonna have to go to the higher time frame on the 15-minute. That's the thing. We might just be stuck here for, I mean, it's only 10 o'clock. But we might be stuck here for a minute. The dollar's due for a pretty nice pullback. And same thing with gold. It's due for a pretty nice pullback. So I don't want to get stuck in that. But we'll see. I'm really going to have to not touch this until we see a really clear rejection off this. This was a combination. Again, I'm on an eval right now, so it's not like I'm not taking bad trades, but I'm definitely, I guess, opening up more risk than usual. 3-minute rejection, which was perfect. 5-minute rejection, not off the EMA, but super solid reversal candle. Only thing was it didn't close below this zone, but I don't think that's the reason why we got stopped out of the trade. I think that's just like an easy out. You know, oh, it didn't close below the low. In most scenarios, like, yes, but I don't think this trade just completely reversed because we didn't close 0.8 points lower. But we saw a super solid reversal candle on the 5-minute, rejection on the 3-minute. We got a better entry than we should have. So, does suck, but again, it was only 5 points, which on gold, yeah, that is a lot. But you know, I'm on eval. I'm trying to like pass this shit this session. So like I'm gonna need to make a lot more than 5 points, and I got the drawdown, so I'm not worried about it, but it does suck. We took a loss yesterday as well, yesterday night for 2 points. That was my first loss. But do I count? I mean, I'm not going to count this stuff just because I'm on an eval. Like I'm making it clear. I'm separating these alerts to eval alerts. Because this is not how I normally would trade, but I'm just being aggressive. That's all it is. And we can really take advantage of this because of how much volume there is. If we be aggressive and we catch the right side, we're going to be seeing a lot back. Have you been to Switzerland? No, bro. When would I have the opportunity to go? I would love to go, though. Break, retest, continuation? Basically, yes. Only thing is we didn't. The break part was a little bit hesitant. It's just more of a continuation, retracement, continuation. Because we got the break, but it wasn't like we retested all. We didn't get the break, retest, break. This was break. There's a difference between break, retest, break, and break, continuation, or continuation, retest, continuation. Continuation, retest, continuation is more for a trendy day like this. Again, we had that shot. I'm not really even constituting this break because it doesn't really include the trade. But for example, like this would be, I mean, it's not really, because of course we didn't really get it fully, but we have our low right here. This would be like a break this low, retest this low right here, continuation, you know, but that's not even the clearest example. Let me see if I can find one. She like the bag. She like the bag, see. This is a trade we lost last night too. I can go over in a second. I just would like to find an example. Like something like this. Okay, we had this high being created, which actually this is the trade we took. We had this high created right here on the 15-minute. Broke above it, retested it, showed buys, looked for that break. So that's the difference between a break, retest, break, and a continuation, retest, continuation. Is you're playing off of a zone when you're doing the break, retest, break, and the other one's for more like a trendy day. But we actually did trade that. We traded that break We broke above. We rejected up off of it. Buyers came in at a newer high. Jumped in right there. Stop loss was there. We almost hit TP. We were super close and just fell off a cliff. Volume came in to the sell side and just took us out. But we're seeing gold push up now. I mean, it's not enough. Like, again, I'm not going to flip my side, but just want to see the dollar. Once the dollar finds this next low, and we can play it up pretty much the low of day at that point. But I want you guys to see how inverse this is moving. Look at gold right now on the 5 minute. Look at the dollar on the 5 minute. It's the 15 second, so don't mind that. But tell me, are these literally not complete opposite? Let me move my fucking big ass head out of the way. They're pretty much break, retest, continuation. Question mark. Sorry if I confused you. What do you normally look for to even get in on gold? Just closes above EMA and rejections up off it in favor of bias. That's like, it's not the easy out, but like that's the most very simple way to trade. I've been working on this model. If you're in the Discord, you know about it. If not, you don't. But this is called Macro Flow 200. This is the model that I created. Basically, what it does. And I know this is gonna sound like a lot. And let me pause this because it's a little bit intense. But what this model does, and again, I've still been working on it, and the indicator's still kind of fucked up. You can actually find this indicator if you want. Just look at Macro Flow 200. It's not, I need to fix it. But anyways, what it does is it actually inverses the dollar and gold. It actually pretty much, it measures both the price of the dollar and the price of gold because they obviously inverse each other. And it uses the 200 EMA as a very strong favor to the side that it plays. Okay, so the whole point of this, the biggest step of this, you guys really need to hear me out on this, is the macro score. That pretty much constitutes everything that involves this style of trading. So all you do on here is you put your macro score in. Could be, it's -2 or -10 to +10. Anything over 2 or -2, you trade to that side. So for example, price action right now is bearish on gold. So I don't have the new score calculated, but I would say right now it's around a -3. So you would actually be looking for gold trades to the short side, but it's not just as simple as that. All you're looking for from a higher time frame perspective is you want to see gold in this scenario. Since we're looking for a bearish sided trade, you want to see gold underneath the 200 EMA, and then you want to see the dollar above the 200 EMA. And if you give this a second to load, I don't know why my shit's taking so long. It's because my Ethernet's not plugged in. But let me actually let this macro flow load in. Okay, boom. So we are finally seeing gold just underneath the 200 right here. This is that green line. You want to see the dollar above the 200, which I don't think it is. That's the only problem. Load, please. Okay, well, while that's loading, how you find your macro score, it's pretty much the last 3 days of news. It has basically this formula. You have to use AI to get the math because it's so hard to get the math without it. But what it does is it factors in, you just put your news, you pretty much copy and paste all the news releases, the actual, the outcome, and the previous. You input them into this formula. It gives you a score. So it bases, red folder news higher than it bases, like it's kind of like weighted, kind of how your school like GPA was. Like some stuff is more important than other stuff. And it will actually include time decay. So for example, the stuff that came out on Monday is going to have less impact than the stuff that came out yesterday. So it factors in all these things and it gives you a score. Once you get that score, you put it into this indicator. At that point, you want to see the dollar above the 200 EMA, which it is right now. And you want to see gold underneath the 200 EMA, which it is right now. And then what it will do is it will start to, it'll print out like a red area. If I go back in time, it's been very bullish on gold, but you'll see we actually, when was this? August 20th. You'll see this was the last time we had an opportunity to take it. But what it does is there's 3 different entry styles. There's T1, T2, T3, which I'm dropping a YouTube video on all this, but why there are ads on Twitch using first time, I have it on the lowest possible. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But basically what it does is it pretty much it'll print out this red zone, and then you take trades off of it. It'll pretty much give you the entries for you. T1 just like a simple reversal candle. T2 is more of a liquidity sweep style, which I'm kind of on the fence about, but it's been working. But anyways, I'm gonna have a video on that coming pretty soon. But I really do like it so far. It's just been kind of hard to trade just because I've been bullish on gold bearish on gold, but we just haven't been bearish in so long. I'm short-term bearish on gold, higher time frame bullish. So it's just like I've been kind of stepping away from it for a minute. Oh shit. Unfamiliar with Twitch? Me too, bro. Me fucking too. I think how it works is if you sub to me on Twitch, which I'm not saying like don't do it, but if you sub to me on Twitch, you don't get ads. And I think it's like $5 to sub, but it's okay. Don't you just watch the ad. But everybody that is sub to me, you guys know I love you. I love you, Dooch. You're the GOAT. Are you gonna drop a YouTube video on it? Yeah. It's just super. Even you saw me talking about it. It's like it's not that hard, but it's hard to talk about. It's just because it's like I'm the only person that has ever done something like this. Not saying that it's gonna work, but it's very unfamiliar to listen to. Seen the dollar finally look like it might make a low right here. Gold's finally coming back down. Gonna need to see a little bit more, but we're getting our bread back, don't worry. And if I don't, I'll say it right now. With this new prop firm sponsorship, I'm getting a shit ton of giveaway funded accounts. If we don't hit this trade, this next trade I will give some away. Look at NQ. I'm good, bro. I'm good, dude. Look at that shit. I mean, it's ripping. It looks great, but I just deleted gold off my fucking. I mean, gold looking pretty bullish right now. Not enough for me to switch, but NQ's been free on the 15 second. Don't make me jump on that shit. If you don't fund it, better be in my inbox by the morning. I don't think I'll be able to give them away till probably Monday, but he's gonna give me a shit ton of funded accounts to give away. All right, I'm working with Tradeify. Tradeify is the firm. All right, that's the firm I'm with. I'm standing on business. Those are my guys. Tradeify. I'm team Tradeify forever now. But oh, fuck. Tradeify is the new firm that I've been working with. Again, it's not like official probably till tomorrow. But dude, those are my guys. They're based out of Miami, so I'm right down the fucking street from them. The dude used to be a content creator, so he kind of knows ball, which was fire. Alpha's dead. No, it's not dead. It's just, again, everything that involves with it, it's just, this was the better option for me. Bro, I've been trying to tell you it helped me get over my slump. I just take 2 A1 trades a day. Bro, the 15 seconds goated, man. I mean, again, any reasons why TradeSync is preferable to Replicanto or any other trade copier? I don't know. I was just recommended from a friend to go to TradeSync, and I mean, it works great. I haven't tested any other ones. But let me see. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't look like we're gonna get a gold trade any second now. The 15-minute would be ideal, but it's just gonna take a minute. 2 minutes till that candle closes. But fudge. What were we talking about? We're talking about Tradeify. Bro, they have accounts that you can literally just go straight to funded, which is insane. Like I told them I'm already loading up on those. You can have 5 accounts straight to funded, which is sick, bro. I don't think Code Steph works just yet. I tried to talk to him to get it to, but I don't think it will. But yeah, they have accounts where you can literally just get funded off the rip, which is pretty sick. Will the drawdown on the fundeds be forever trailing? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know a firm that does that. I don't think there's a single firm that has trailing drawdown forever. There's not. There isn't one. Damn, instant funding wild. I know. I'm actually really excited to test it out. The rules are, they do have some pretty, like, the only thing I will say that is kind of fucked up is, it's not even fucked up. I was looking at the Tradeify and they got a drawdown on the fundeds. I thought they do have a drawdown, but how it works is once you reach a certain amount of money, and it depends on the account, but for the most part, let's say around a 50K account, let's say if you reach 3,000 in profit, that drawdown will not trail you anymore. So anything over 3,000, like think about it like this, you're kind of coming up, you hit that 3,000 point, and then you just build up off of it. It doesn't trail you anymore. So I think at that point, again, if you get to that, like, but that's every single funded account. I see. That's where I was trying to figure out. There was a mark where it just stops. Yeah. So once it gets, again, I don't know if it's 3,000 on Tradeify, but that's kind of like the most common, like around 3,000 in profit for a 50K account. What will happen is your drawdown will now be at 50,000. So at 0, once you hit 3,000, your drawdown will now be pretty much back at break even. So if you ever get that account back to 50,000 flat, you'll lose the account. Example makes sense. Thanks. Yeah, of course, bro. But yeah, instant funding, like, I'm gonna really test that shit out. The only thing, like I said, was kind of bad about it, which it's not even that bad. They have your first payout on the instant funding accounts. You can't. It's a 20% consistency rule, which is low. But I mean, again, if you're trading with a plan, it's not really, like, you're not gonna have an issue with it. Basically, what that means is you can't make more than 20% of your profit within one day. Which, again, if you're just trading consistently, it doesn't really matter. But the thing is, how they fix it is after your first payout, it'll actually go up to 25% consistency. After your third or your second one, it'll go up to 30. And then anything after that goes up to 35. So it's really not, it's not that bad, bro. In instant funding, bro, you guys know how clutch that would be for some of you guys. And the accounts are a little bit more expensive. Like, I think a 25K instant funding account's like $240. But you're instantly funded. Like, that's not even that bad, bro. Like, you literally, y'all motherfuckers be dropping $300, $400 on fucking on evals. That's crazy cool. Nearly every Forex prop always has trailing and it's equity trailing. Like, that's the worst, bro. It's just, like, how are you supposed to trade with that monkey on your back, bro? I can't imagine. First time in the chat, too. What's good, bro? Hope you're doing good. If you're trading Forex, I'm sorry, but there was a 5-minute entry right there, but it's not really my cup of tea. Gotta teach the way to trade options? No, we're not trading options, bro. I can't let you guys get into options. Just transition to futures? Dope, dude. Welcome to the game. Again, I traded options for 3 years. I really thought it was the shit. I'm sure you probably felt the same way with Forex. Kind of just, like, backed it. Once I found out about futures, I haven't traded options since. I mean, that's not true. I did trade options for a little bit, but it's just better. I mean, oh shit, I forgot to say as well, Tradeify, the firm that I'm now working with, they just, literally, I think like Monday, they just dropped, they finally got paired up with fucking Project X. So the system that TopStepX has and AlphaTix uses on Alpha Futures, they now have on Tradeify, which is fire. Because I've been using it on Alpha, and when I use TopStep, I use TopStepX. They have the same exact software now, which is super sick. So everything. I mean, I joined at a great time. What's up, Steph? Last time I saw you, you were crashing out. What's good, bro? Things are still good on gold. I did take a loss this morning though, but I'm on an eval. I'm just trading on an eval right now. We took a short somewhere around here. Let me see. Somewhere around here. Stop loss was, no, we got in like 6-7 right there. We got in at 6-7. We had a 5-point stop. We got stopped out on it. It's fine though. Again, we're on an eval. I'm trying to be a little bit more aggressive. If we see us retest the CMA here off this, I will jump in. But things have been good, bro. Again, this is my first loss of the week. Actually, no, it was last night. But I've taken 2 losses this week. I think I'm up still around 9 points. So it's been really good. How about you though? What's good, DJ? Stop calling me Unk, bro. You're just a jit. That's what I got. 550K accounts and passed them both in 2 days on gold. Gold is so insane, bro. On Project X. Yeah. Project X software is so nice, dude. I'm so happy that Tradeify just got that shit because, like I said, I've been using that on other firms, man, and it's just like, it's so nice. I don't want to go back to Tradeivate, bro. Maybe 5-minute candle off the zone. I just think I need to see this get below this. I mean, nah, I really like this for a drop soon. I mean, it looks like the dollar's really starting to find this low. NQ's just ripping. I bet you we had an entry here. Nope, that shit's too ripping. Let me see 15-second if we would have had any entries. Entry here on the 15-second, that hits. Entry here on the 15-second, that stopped. Entry here, that hits. No here. We had some entries. I'm down. I might jump on the 15-second. I like this for a push down. I'd like to see it get a little bit higher. I'd love to see a rejection off this EMA and jump in. But we're getting close to another short entry here. Who you guys got tonight, Bills or Dolphins? Be honest. Not a single motherfucker saying Dolphins. Last night drop made that TP in like 10 minutes. Yeah, that shit was dumping last night. Cause I was in longs. I just blew a funded and went back to demo and made 20 RR today. That's how it be, bro. That's how it be, bro. When you're just fucking messing around, dude, you just catch 20 RR, but then when you're on an actual funded, it just shits the bed. That's how the game goes, bro. Let me see. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm now just looking back at chat. I feel so bad. I literally ignore you guys. Is that even a question? Oh, are you talking about the Bills? Soonly trade Gora? No. I do trade NQ, but it's just gold's just better, bro. I mean, that's all. I'm about to jump in shorts here. If we engulf right here, I'm gonna jump in shorts right here. $3.6 stop on this. Dollar's pushing up. If I lose this trade, I'm giving away 500 accounts. GC shorts at 3669.9. Jesus, man. 3.6 stop. Let's ride this one out. Let's ride this puppy out. $69696. All right. That's how it feels like when I fucking just hit 1-to-1 off gold short W. Well, hopefully, pray that this shit picks me up too. All right. Yo, do you trade orders on Project X instead of straight up on TradingView? Yeah, I don't trade on TradingView. That shit's ass. Just stay on Project X. I'm so hyped for my fucking straight to funded accounts. I'm so hyped. I'm copping 5 straight to funded accounts, the most expensive ones they got, and I'm fucking ripping those hoes on Project X. With code Steph, baby. Big prayers coming your way, Steph. Jesus is King. Hell yeah, bro. Thank you. I need it, bro. Just gotta stare at this hard enough. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Hold on. Ah! Please. I'll be right back.
I gotta bring it anytime and however you want it. Late at night and I can't sleep, I'm staying up, I'm tossing, turning. That's them bodies from my temple creeping on me. That's from me cutting them off and being home all by my lonely. Bricks and bills, I prefer that chopper. It's gonna kiss you and won't never tell. I can cook that dope just like a worker. You can XVL. Looking, I can outbow, I don't talk loud, I don't need a scale. Plenty money, but I'm still thugging. This the rich
Brother,
as hell.
what the
Get it and
fuck?
break it, I flip it, you know how I get
What
it.
did I just come back to, bro?
I can speak that word and talk that word.
The hell? Who did this shit? I was ready to come back to a TP. What the fuck was that? Ever try my point of view has always been on TPT, but the new core accounts look good. I'm banned from my fund of futures. Fuck that firm. Nah, that firm's great. I just wish I wasn't fucking banned. LMAO, what happened? I don't even want to get into it, bro. If you're good at trading, they'll ban you, though. That's a simple breakdown. That's all I'll say. If you're a good trader, they'll take you off the firm. I'm fucking 0-2 in fucking my fantasy leagues, bro. Plenty money, but I'm still thugging. It's the rich as hell. Well, all of a sudden we start to fucking consolidate. Guess I ain't getting banned anytime soon. All right, don't say that, bro. Yeah, man, they just took me off the firm. Can you say fish are not friends, they're food? Oh, fish. Oh. Fish are friends, not food? What, from Shark Tales, bro? What are we doing? That movie's so goated, bro. That's about 90% of Forex props. They owe me stupid money because my payouts were up there, bro. I've heard so many stories about people just getting completely rinsed on Forex firms. They just don't pay you out. I have one of my close friends that happened to. Like over, I think like $400,000 he just did not get. They just went ghost on him. I mean, boys, at this point, I'm very happy with this trade. We've been seeing a lot of sells coming in, man. It's just the dollar, bro. What are we doing? We've seen some pretty good sells come in. I still really like this. Again, we're at break even. I mean, it's not that bad, but you play Clash Royale? Hell yeah, bro. You gotta get on. You gotta get on Tradify, bro. Straight to funded, bro. Like, what are we doing? No more parties in LA. Please, baby, no more parties in LA. What AMA do you use? Use the 8 Yeah, when you request payout, they send you an email saying you violated a rule that happened in the past, but they just now caught it and take your accounts. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple firms that I don't need to talk about. I mean, I'm sure some of you guys know they will literally do everything they possibly can to not pay you out. Okay, 1030 just came out. Was there news? Was there news? Natural gas storage. Because that shit just pumped for no reason. Should just went long on NQ, man. I'm really happy with this trade. Again, we've been in this for a pretty long time. Look at all these rejections off of our sell sided drawdown. Like, this is rejection, 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 rejection. Just where are the sellers after that, bro? Tradevate or Project X? Project X. 10 times out of 10, bro. Look at all our rejections in the drawdown, bro. I just need to see just a nice continuation, bro. Holy shit. What's going to end up happening is if we do get up off the 1-to-1, we're going to stay in this. 3.6 points. Don't want to say we're going to hit TP just yet, but if we get down to here, we're going to move our stop loss. We're going to stay in this trade. We're going to move our stop loss up to there. But with how this has been moving, I'm going to expect gold to... This candle that we just had, yep, I'm going to expect this to be bullish. Because fuck me, right? Like, oh, dude, are we serious, bro? Are we fucking serious? Dude, how did I not see that this candle? How did I not see that this candle was bullish, bro? How did I not see that? How, bro? Why did I not just take longs off that candle, bro? I completely forgot that that's bullish, bro. Like, brother, what the fuck? This is why I'm on an eval today, bro. If I was on my live account right now, I would be fucking livid, bro. I would have already crashed the fuck out. That's the only reason why you haven't seen me get pissed off is because I'm on an eval right now. This is just fucked up, bro. And then NQ's over here just moving like a queen. Maybe we'll just do NQ in the morning. Okay, gold. Show me what you got, bro. Come on. I'm not counting you out just yet. But what the fuck are we doing? Seriously, though. Like, what about... what is this price action? Why did that not go on? What is going on? Even me. Why the fuck did that candle not stop us out? Why are we back at break even? What the fuck is going on? Like, what the fuck? What am I supposed to do? Like, we're bagging profit? Never mind. Why did I fucking speak? I wouldn't wish this price action on my fucking worst enemy, bro. I don't think the text-to-speech works. It obviously doesn't. Why are we in profit on this, bro? What the hell? I mean, I'm super happy. I mean, great trade by me. Great. Look at my stop loss placement. So perfect. Most people, old me, would have my stop loss here. But I've been around that bush too many times, bro. I know how to trade, bro. Stop loss goes here. Oh, look at the 5 minute, bro. This is going to hit, dude. This is going to hit. Let's go. 5 minute is so money. Close right there. Close right there, you dirty dog. Let's go. Brother, what is fucking bullish about that fucking candle? What is bullish about that? Let me fucking know. What is this price action? What the fuck was that? Am I trading fucking Solana? Are we fucking serious? What the actual fuck? I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. This might be the shittiest price action in the history of shit. And yes, it's the fucking day after FOMC. I don't give a fuck. What is, bro? I cannot believe what has just unfolded. You just blew 5 accounts, so I'm giving away fucking 5 next fucking stream. Whenever this fucking thing comes through. Just fucking fantastic, man. So shit, dude. Literally top. Oh my gosh. Just an eval step. Just an eval. What a fucking shit trade. You just blew 5 accounts, bro? How though? Like how? How? I still have a bunch of drawdown on my 50K. I mean like 1,000, not a bunch, but like how did you just blow 5 accounts? Blew your Express account? Brother, we're on an eval today. What? Blew my shit. TradingView put me in for 4 Oh my god, bro. What are you guys? What? Brother. 2 Express accounts. Why are you on your Express account? It's the eval stream. Guys. Thought I didn't work. Thought it didn't work, so I plays. Brother. I mean, dude, that trade was horrendous, but it's fun to gamble. Please, no, stop. Do not influence that shit. Oh, that's just okay. I mean, quick recap for you guys. I'm gonna go in the Discord and do another one. I mean, there's nothing to fucking. These trades were so good. I'm not even. The first trade was a little bit of a chase. But this trade itself, wow. I just, bro. Up to this point, look it up. Dude, if someone showed me this trade and was like, you guys have seen those videos, guess what's gonna happen fucking next, or guess the, bro. This might be, let me put it like this. If I was supposed to get in right here at this entry right here, and I could see into the future 10 candles and see this is what I would be getting, I would have entered 10 minis to the short side. This looks so good. Now, this is the question. When you trade like I have over my entire career at this point, basically, my entire life has been day trading. Now, I'm new to gold, but just from a price action standpoint, and you look at this right here. You look at this, you're seeing the bearish price action, you're seeing the rejection, you're seeing pretty consistent sells, and more than likely a continuation down. There is no scenario. You could put a multiple choice answer question. What should be happening after a candle like this? Not only just this candle, but continuous sells in a very small period. What should be coming off of this candle following? And let's just be clear. This candle represents huge, nice buy up. Big sells come in and reject, closing even lower than they were before. Every time, I would say 10 times out of 10, you're seeing, maybe you're not seeing a nice continuation down, but you're seeing sellers hold because that's exactly what they've been doing the last 10 minutes. Guess what? I'm going to click this next 1 minute candle, and this is what you're going to see. There's just some things that you just can't factor in. That 2 candle sequence, it's not, there was no opportunity for us there. It's not like this was something you could factor in. It's just Drake whipped out his dick and it just went to the long side, bro. So it's like when you look at trades like this, when you're in, this is why context is so important, because so many people will say, oh, we got stopped out, you blew a funded account, whatever. When you look at what we factored into this trade, that's not normal. And it really does give you closure. For me, when I see something like this, it's just, right trade, wrong time type of thing. It's not like the entry itself was bad. This was something completely unfactorable. Need money for a funded sign? I actually have one in my garage if you're curious, if you actually do need one. But do you guys get what I'm saying? I need you to understand. I really do need you guys to grasp this concept, and it's so important while you recap your shit, because you have to look at stuff like this and say, hey, this isn't just a lost trade. This was a good entry. Inside of our drawdown, we saw rejection. We saw exactly what we wanted to out of this trade. What the fuck? It's just the only thing you can factor in with this trade that was bad was we didn't wait for a close underneath the low. But I don't think that's why we lost this trade. It sucks, but please apply context. Don't be so down on yourself today. If you lost an account, whatever, again, I'm down a shit ton too on my eval, but the trades were good. This is the stuff you're going to see the day after FOMC. So it's on me. It's on me for doing this, but this is why most people, I was really, especially yesterday, I was like, don't trade. You shouldn't trade. I didn't stream yesterday because of stuff like this. And it's probably going to happen for tomorrow too, but I'm still going to, again, be on the eval, give it tries. It sucks, but again, context included. That was not something that it's not my fault. I didn't do anything wrong. Just lost the trade, bro. That's it. You just have to look forward, and just tomorrow's a new day. Right? We have the whole day ahead of us, bro. Do not let this ruin your day. It's an eval. It's fake money. Doesn't exist. It's not real. Don't be so down on yourself. And we're just gonna fucking get it back tomorrow. So I will be in here tomorrow morning. if you guys are interested. I'm about to go do like a little extended stream in the Discord, and I'm gonna stream tonight in there as well. Hopefully I'm gonna be on my live account tonight in the Discord on the stream, so hopefully I can make a little bit more and then be completely done, because I don't want to trade live on Friday. So if you do want to get in the Discord, code new, it's like 25% off. It's like $50 to get in. Thank you guys so much for being here, YouTube and Twitch. I will be live tomorrow morning. I'm like actually setting up some like shit for my stream, so it's gonna look cool. But I love you guys. Sorry that we just came out short today. Nothing, I mean, it's on the eval and like it sucks, but like, I'm sorry guys, especially if you lost the funded. I feel so bad. But giveaways, I'm gonna do a big giveaway whenever this shit comes through, and I'm gonna be Team Tradeify. I'm gonna get you guys on those accounts because they're sick. So hopefully you guys pop in tomorrow. We'll do a little bit more trading. Hopefully this shit doesn't happen, but I'll see you guys later.